Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Guinness bread. It's super easy to make. It's just a matter of mixing a few wet and dry ingredients together and it makes a really lovely bread. I love it for breakfast. It's so good with a softly poached egg. Anyways, we'll get things underway. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And as always, you will find a link to the recipe in the description box below. I first need 225 grams of wholemeal flour. And I need 75 grams of plain flour. And I have 50 grams of porridge oats. And I'm just going to hold back the tiniest little bit just to sprinkle on the bread at the end before it goes into the oven. I want a teaspoon of fine sea salt. And 2 teaspoons of bread soda. Just give those a quick stir together. And that's the dry ingredients. For my wet ingredients, I have here 35 grams of butter, 50 grams of black treacle and 50 grams of honey, which I just give a couple of 30-second blasts in the microwave just to make it to make them easier to mix in. And I've set it on the counter just while I was getting on with my dry ingredients just to cool down completely. So just stir these together. It really helps the treacle and honey get incorporated properly into the bread. Next, for the good stuff, I need 150 mils of Guinness. Next, I need the same of buttermilk, so 150 mils again. This works with the bicarb to make it all rise and make it lighter. Quick little stir together. And now I can add the wet ingredients into the dry, and it's just a matter of stirring these together. And that is our bread ready for the oven. Make sure I get every bit of that molassesy rich treacle in. And as soon as you've them combined, we can get it into the loaf tin. I have a 2-pound loaf tin here that I greased, and then I just added a little flour, shaked it about and dumped it out. This will just stop your bread from sticking. Grab myself a spatula or whatever you've got just to scoop it all out. Just smooth the top. And then I like to make just a little indent. And really, there is no reason to do this, only that my granny used to do it when she would make her scone bread, so I do it. And the porridge oats that I reserved earlier on, I'm just going to sprinkle over. And that's it, my bread's ready for the oven. This just needs to go into a preheated 180-degree oven. That would be a 160-degree span for 45 minutes. My bread's almost cool now. I just, once it had its time in the oven, I just remove it from the tin and leave it on a wire rack just to cool a little further. Time to cut. That's it. Good slathering of butter. I love it so warm like this from the oven. That is so good. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, you'll find the recipe link in the description box below. Guys, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching and sláinte.